to episode 119 of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we will take a look at a railroad tracks trade setup. This is a reversal pattern and is usually found at a key support and resistance levels. Let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at how to identify this type of trade setup, where to enter the trade, where to place the stop loss, and as always, how to exit the trade with a profit.
Here we're looking at a railroad tracks trade setup. This is $CAD daily chart. Railroad tracks, as the name suggests, are formed by two candles, one candle that goes in one direction and the other candle that goes in opposite direction. So this is an example of a bearish reversal sign with railroad tracks pointing to the downside. However, we can have railroad tracks going in the opposite direction. All we need is two candles, one going in one direction and the second candle negating the first candle by reversing the direction of that. So in this case, we have a bullish candle and then a bearish candle that reverses direction for this. We know that overall the trend is to the downside here, looking at the chart previously. Once we get this type of a signal, this means that even though buyers try to get the upper hand, sellers stepped in and they have overpowered the buyers. So this suggests that we are likely to see the price drop. Once we see the railroad tracks, in this case, it's a daily chart, so we can wait for a pullback because usually we get pullbacks, and we can enter our trade short. The stop goes above the high here. We want to make sure we give it some room for the trade to breathe. Once we enter the trade short, so we continue on as the price drops. So what we are looking for here is a strong candle in the opposite direction. As we can see here, we do not see any strong bullish reversal candles. They're all pretty much red, and any of the green candles are very small, so we do not get a big bullish engulfing candle till we get to the very bottom here and we see a big bullish engulfing candle. This is the point where we exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 722 pips in the trade. With the daily charts or higher time frame charts, we tend to get more pips as we get into the trend. So just to recap here, railroad tracks is a reversal signal. We're looking for price to go in one direction, so a bullish candle here, and then a reversal of that, showing us that the sellers are in charge again. Once we see this bearish candle that takes over the previous candle, we are looking for price to drop, so we enter the trade on pullback. Stop goes above the high here and we are looking for price to drop. As the market drops, we stay with the price till we get a reversal signal in the opposite direction. Here we see a big bullish engulfing candle. That is a sign to exit our trade. From entry to exit here, we get 722 pips in the trade, which is a profit of $7,220 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this trade setup, please feel free to share with your friends. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.